right here. You saw when I put the liquid nitrogen in the bottle, put the balloon on. The balloon expanded. I'm not going to use a balloon this time. Which means the bottle will have to expand if I put the lid on it. I'm going to need an adult. Sir, could you come up for a few minutes? We're men, we'll do this. We'll take the risk. Okay, you got eye protection? Super. I'm going to put liquid nitrogen in that Coke bottle and I'm going to seal it. Which means it's going to expand, rupture, and go boom. Once I fill that up, I'm going to drop it in here right away. As soon as I drop it in, you pour those bowls in, and we're going to move away. We are going to move away. Okay? Expand one at a time, so we won't need to fill the bottle. No, I'm sure it's a great idea. No, I haven't.
Then it's not really safe.
It's so fun.